So this is terrifying. And the scariest part is this is probably something you see almost every day and don't even realize it. What do you guys think that is? That is a scary sight, but what is it? Write in the comments and let me know what you think that is before I tell you, because you might be really surprised when you find out exactly what this thing is. Now, you probably would not want to run into this in a dark alley at night, but the thing is, you probably do every single day. You probably see these all over the place, but they're so small, you don't get to really see what they actually look like up close. When I saw the photo of this for the first time, I was like, oh my god, that is horrifying. And then I found out what it was, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Now, I hope you don't have any nightmares after seeing this, but my god, that is scary looking. So, are you ready for me to tell you exactly what this is? If you're still trying to figure out what it is and you don't want to hear the answer yet, just go ahead and pause the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff. Click that little bell and set the notifications to all so you don't miss any good uploads like this. Did I mention maybe you should hit that like button and subscribe to the channel? Alright, so this horrible looking thing, we're going to go ahead and tell you exactly what this is. It's an ant. That's right, it's just an ant. As horrible and as scary as that thing looks, that's all it is right there, guys. A little harmless ant, but my god, up close, they are just terrifying. I think that wraps this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are all amazing. Hope I'm not giving you any nightmares here, but those things, they're just little harmless ants, guys. They're not going to get you, or are they? Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys are awesome. Catch you later. Have a great day. Lightning out. See ya. And by the way, don't forget to check out one of these videos that's popping up on the screen. Thank you so much. See ya later. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Adios, amigos, and some other stuff.